Okay, so we're gonna reset a 2022 BMW X3. It's kind of different from the 2023 and different from the 2024. So without further ado, I'm going to go to the center console right there. Without pressing the brake pedal, press this start stop button 3 times simultaneously. 1, 2, 3. Go back to the dashboard. You'll see service overdue. So once the screen is settled, come to the left of the steering, locate the BC button. BC button. Press the BC button. Press and hold it. Release the BC button now. Then I press and hold it for about 5 seconds. Release. Press and hold for about 5 seconds again. Then I release, and that should reset 2022 BMW X3. Sorry. There you go. You can go ahead and start it now. You can reset the individual trip to 0. That's it.